So welcome to the Teradyne Robotics booth at Automate 2026. I'm stood here in front of our new AI trainer product. So this is a system to collect both image and robot data, synchronize it together to generate training data for physical AI models. So the way that this works is that the operator drives our smaller robots, so we're using our UR3E robots as the leader devices here to teleoperate the larger robots, in this case the UR7E. What we do here is we have very high fidelity motion feedback between the two devices, so we are both propagating the motion backwards and forwards between the leaders and the followers, but also providing haptic feedback as well. So we have force torque sensors in all of the robots, and so this means that when you come into contact with the environment with the follower robots, you can actually feel that when you are driving and teaching the task. And so this gives the operator kind of a better feel of what the robots are doing and helps them to complete kind of contact-rich tasks in a more intuitive way. So I'd say we're capturing all of the robot data here, but a big part of this is also the vision side of things as well. So almost all of these models rely on vision data to actually see how the world around them is changing and the way that the robot fingers are kind of interacting with the world. So we're using 4 Orbbec cameras on here. This is the 305G camera. So this is, we're using the stereo RGB in this scenario here, and we're using the GMSL version. So this fits really well with our application here. So the cameras themselves are very compact. They're a really good form factor for both putting on the end of the robot, but also mounting on the scene as well. If we come around here, maybe we can see a little bit more closely. So you see we have 2 scene-mounted cameras and 2 wrist-mounted cameras here. So we have one looking down and one looking out. And then we have the ones here that we can see that are looking down on the gripper fingers. So we're using the GMSL connection here. This is plugged straight into our Jetson-based AI accelerator. So we have all 4 channels of GMSL going straight into there. And that helps us a lot with the GMSL functionality on these is really useful because it helps us do many different, so we can do up to 8 streams at 60 Hertz in full camera resolution directly into the video memory of the Jetson here. So this is much better for us than doing it. We just wouldn't be able to do that with the USB connection, so that's really helpful for us. And if you come around the other side here to have a look from here as well, go around the back here. So you can see that this is all integrated with our Polyscope X software as well. So you can see we have a dashboard running on this bottom teach pendant here, and then you can see each of the camera streams live on the teach pendants at the top here. So this helps, for here, it helps the audience see what's going on, but it helps the operator as well kind of get more different angles of what's going on here. And so this is the second product that we've released with Orbbec sensors, and it's a very good fit for the application that we're building, and we really enjoy working with Orbbec. And yeah, this is the first of many more collaborations to come.